It's a 2010 Lexus HS250H. From the way the interior takes care of you to the way this HS250H is responsible toward the environment, this is truly a harmonious sedan. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: auto-dimming rear-view mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, continuously variable automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. Automobile explains the ride is well damped and the response of the brake pedal is linear and free of any sign that the computers are constantly switching between regenerative and friction braking. Lexus, performance in every detail. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.